Hello everyone, this is X-AutoTest first video. In our video, we will show you how to use simple code to create your custom components. Today, I will teach you how to create a free shipping progress bar. Before we start, I will show you our company website. Our company website is xautotech.com. If you visit our website, first, you can see our homepage. And our website have two languages, Chinese and English. You can choose which you love. All of tutorials is saved in blog. Okay, let's start the first components. Free shipping progress bar. First, I will show you the final result. Let's refresh our cart page. I set free shipping is 50 CD. You can see when you're not reach it, it will prompt you more to get free shipping. If you exceed 50, it will tell customer, congratulations, you qualify for free shipping. And how to achieve it. You can follow our tutorial how to use. First, you search the liquid file, main cart items, and search JS content. JS contents. Okay, it's here. You press enter and copy our code and change your free shipping price like 60, 100 and save your liquid file. You can see your website is run now. Now my price is cart price is 56 and my free shipping price is 60. I, I have four, but that's right. Plus one. Oh, okay, congratulations. It is running now. Okay. If you have a more custom, like you want to change the text color, size, you can change here. Change the color you want to fit your theme. Okay, we will see the next video soon. Bye.